Okay, guys, we're back again. We have to start again the recording all the way again. And this time around, we're going to be starting all over again. Sincerely apologize for the mix up. Once in a while, that's why sometimes you like pre recording so that you would not have any glitches. But when you're going live, you also need to have 101% guarantee that there would not be any technical itch. Okay, so I had to reset the whole thing with my team right now. Now, I hope you guys can hear me. So let me be sure you guys can hear me right now. Thank you so much for staying tuned. I don't want to adjust this till next week, so that is why I said we need to bring this again. Okay, so if you can hear me, just comment below. Let me be sure. Where are you joining from? Super excited. How are you doing? Good day, good morning, good evening. One more time. If you can hear me, just comment below. Do us a favor to share the video again so we can get some new amazing audience to join us. Thank you so much. You guys are amazing followers, students, great people, great leaders. Fantastic. Okay, so let's share. I need to see some comments so that I'll be sure you're good. Fantastic. Thank you. You guys are good. Yes, this is better. This is better. This is better. Okay, guys, so where are you joining from today? On today's topic, we're talking about how not to invest in the cryptocurrency space. How not to invest. A lot of us have gone, we know how to invest, okay? But we don't know some certain things that will allow us to be able to have an amazing investment portfolio. So my goal today is to share with you some certain things that is very, very important that will help you before you invest in any asset. I'm really excited about today's session. Thank you so much for joining Victor Michael. Victor Michael is joining us all the way from Ikeja, Lagos. Okay, thank you so much for joining, Victor. You want to do us a favor, share the link, share it again and again. Be a blessing to someone outside there. Share it if you're on Facebook, if you're on LinkedIn, wherever you're joining us from. Okay, let's make this happen. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Abel Paul, good to have you on the call. Good to have you on the call. So let's get to work. So the first thing that we're going to be going through is what is cryptocurrency for those who are new, like you're new, you don't even have a portfolio yet. Cryptocurrency is a digital asset that is stored in form of ledger in blockchain. And what made blockchain is that what makes blockchain stronger, or why are we using blockchain, is because it's one of the most trusted database in the world. Good. And take internet as one, take blockchain like 8 times, 7 to 8 times bigger than internet. So that means that we can trust it to a certain level. Then a lot of systems have run successfully on blockchain. So the same way finance is decided to also run on blockchain. So when money came in on blockchain, we call it digital currency. Good. And the first one that flew on project that was run on blockchain is Bitcoin. So that is why, because Bitcoin ran successfully, other projects came on. So we have blockchain, we have Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, the aim of Bitcoin is that I can transfer money to you, transfer currency to you anywhere in the world without me using your document or I using my document. I can send money to you. So having established that, when Bitcoin became successful, Ethereum also came up, and we were able to recognize the founders and the people behind Ethereum. But we don't know the people, the person or the people behind Bitcoin. Why? Because it's an anonymous project. Good. And that was the reason why the project could fly. Because if we had known the person, okay, definitely a lot of the who and who would have fought the revolution. So since Bitcoin became successful, other projects or other part of money had to also find their way through the process. Now, the second project that came on live, apart from those that failed, okay, is Ethereum. So we call Ethereum the queen of cryptocurrency. And we have Bitcoin as the father or the king of cryptocurrency. So number one, take this to home today, that the two projects that has the highest probability of not failing, okay, is Bitcoin and Ethereum. Good. Every other project, they are below the ladder. That means that they have tendency to fail. Good. So now that we understand what Bitcoin is, cryptocurrency is, and the types of Bitcoin cryptocurrency project, what are the things that I should know before I put in my money? What are the things I should know? What are ways that I should not approach the cryptocurrency market? So we must understand that the cryptocurrency market is broad. I told you it's 8 times bigger than the internet space. So one of the ways that can help you is, do not put money into a project that does not have a team or does not have a founder. So type in founder and team on the comment box. Let me see that. Let me see your engagement right now. Thank you so much for joining, Chris EK. Okay. Type that in, founder or team. Why? Is because you want to be able to trust the project. You want to be able to understand who are the people putting this together. What have they done successfully before? Now, if I'm putting money in a project and the team and the founders are not successful in other projects, then that means that there's something really wrong that I don't want to expose all my capital like I would for other projects. Now, number two is that do not invest, okay, in any project because of social media sentiment. A lot of people have put in money into the cryptocurrency because they are talking about a project. For example, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu. People bought those projects because they are trending. But that is not a reason to put your money in. Now, you can use that to consider the base of your decision, your findings, your research. That, oh, because a project is trending, okay, can I go and know other things or other conditions that I want to see before I put in my money into this project? So when you put your money when the market is in the sentiment phase through social media, it means that you're already late to the market. Come on, guys, and you must not be late to the market. Type in, don't be late, don't be late, don't be late. We had people who bought Bitcoin at $20,000 and they had to wait for Bitcoin to go as low as 3,800 before it came back up to 69,000. They had to hold it. And guys, one of the things that investment does for you, if you have not grown to have tough skin, if you have not grown to become wiser or stronger, you might end up selling off such projects because they did not deliver over time. Because they did not deliver over time. So it's very important that you don't want to be late to the table. And have this also in your mind. There will be more projects. See, because you don't want to miss a project, you go in at the wrong time, then you get hooked in it. See, when I started cryptocurrency, late 2018, early 2019, guys, I went in late. Like I bought some project because of fundamental. But by the time I understood the cycle of the market, I begin to know that it is not okay every project that is being hyped that I want to put my money. I've even gone a bit for, I've gone further to say that it is not every project that is successful that has the right time to put in. So if a project is good, it has the team, it has everything, it doesn't make you to go and buy it immediately, because you also don't want to buy at the wrong cycle. What do I mean by the wrong cycle? Let's say, for example, a project started from 1, okay, and when it started from 1, it is now at 10, it's at 25. It has never done a reversal cycle, a retracement cycle. It means that I should wait for the market to do its form of retracement, so that when it does its own form of retracement, maybe from 10 it comes back to 2, then I can buy. So I just posted an asset in our cryptocurrency community just 2 days ago, okay, and it has given us already over 70 to 100% in 2 days. Now you will like that kind of project, you'll be very happy, but it is because the team waited, because when the project was first launched, it went as far as like 300%. Now, when it retraced back, we had to wait for that retracement, that cycle retracement. Then we now went in. So it is not that because a project is good, then you jump in and it gives you, it has its own advantage, that's own disadvantage, okay? But there is power in patience. There's power in patience. So number one, you want to recognize who are the people behind it. So I don't want to put my money in it if I don't know the people, if their faces are anonymous, okay? Number two, I said don't invest because of social media hype. So don't say because Mr. Maiwa is talking about the project, I'll put my money in, or one cryptocurrency expert is talking about the project, I'll put my money in. You want to go and check, am I late to the party? Is that why they are talking about it? Or the project have not even started? Now, if the project have not started, oh, I put my money in. But if the project have already gone up, geez, you want to wait. Let's say, for example, Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity last year gave over 11,000 to 14,000% return on investment. We caught that move. We went in less than $1. Now, when we went in less than $1, Axie Infinity went over $100 profit. That was amazing, sweet money. But guess what? There were people who bought Axie Infinity at $80. There are people who bought Axie Infinity at $90. There are people who bought Axie Infinity at $100. And that time when they bought it on hype. They bought it on social media trend. They bought it on this project is good. They didn't buy the project based on the cycle. Now, as I talk to you at the moment, 2 days ago or yesterday, when I checked, Axie Infinity was below $25. So right now, I'm expecting Axie Infinity to come lesser than this, then I can put my money in again, and I go for another bull run that can take it to maybe 200, 300, or 500. Why? Because it has a good use case, it has the founders behind it, and I am considering the cycle flow. Come on, guys, show some love if you guys are getting some amazing value right now. Come on, guys, show some love. Click on the like button. Make sure you share. Don't just be watching. Help somebody. You're getting it free. Help somebody else to also get it free. If that is the only contribution you're going to be doing, click on the like button. Show some love. Help some people else, some other people to see value and get the right information. That is what we're pleading for. Go to my YouTube channel, so click on the subscriber button, click on the like button. Just help some people to gain value to this. This is how to help somebody else. And my goal is 1 billion people to have access to the right information. And my team are really putting a lot together to help you guys get this amazing value for almost free. Because some people will say, oh, but I still bought data. I still bought data to join you. Yes. So it's almost free. It's not 100% free. But these are the things you should use your data for. Okay. So that's the first one. That's the second one. And the third one I'm going to be sharing with you is that do not invest your money in any project that does not have partners, reputable partners. Reputable partners. Come on, comment that on the comment box. Let me show you. If you want me to show you, comment that right now. Comment that on the chat box. Reputable partners. You need reputable partners to put your money here, Paul Adebayo. You won't be able to put your money in the right project that has reputable partners. If you're not considering reputable partners, you will just be putting your money in projects that will not last. And some of these reputable partners are called VCs, like venture capitalists. Venture capital. These are people, one, they've done their own research. They have the money, they have the resources, and they've done several screening for that project before they put their money in. Okay, before they put their money in. One of them is Binance Lab portfolio. Binance as a pro. Let me share my screen so I'll show you how you can identify that. Come on, guys. Good. So if you come to categories, share, on the categories, you will see several portfolios that are grouped together. Yield aggregator, yield farmer, yield farming. But I'm going to scroll down to, can you see this? Framework Ventures of Framework Ventures CEO. I want to be able to do this. I want to be able to know these people. What have they done before? What are the projects that they are putting their money in? I don't just want to come online and say, because, oh, these people are putting their money in this cryptocurrency, this is their portfolio, I'd like to do the same. So let's scroll down. I think we should get Binance Lab. Kinetic Capital Portfolio. VBC Ventures. Who are the people behind this? You want to know. Pools Finance Portfolio. Who are Pools Finance Portfolio? Who are these people? Take your time to study these people. This is different from ecosystem, okay? Ecosystem is Pantera is one of the largest cryptocurrency portfolio in US. Pantera. Okay, Binance Launch Pool. This is one of the portfolios. This is the launchpad model for Binance. Okay, so this is Binance Lab. So this is the venture capitalist model for Binance. So it means that for any project to be under Binance Lab portfolio, if we open it, you will be able to see. So this is the Michael Anderson, is the co-founder of Framework Ventures. So you won't be able to advance. So, and venture capitalists, they put money together, okay? Money together. Okay, this is framework.vc. So this is the people. The CEO who does the front work is Jason Morehouse. So you want to know, who is this guy? What is their portfolio all about? What have they run successfully before? So this is Binance Portfolio, Binance Lab Portfolio. So that means that before this project went live, Binance Lab Portfolio, Binance team have done their research on this project. So this is the kind of project you want to put your money in. It means that at least a fraction of Binance money is in this portfolio. Currently, this is about this is 28 projects that Binance. So maybe every year, maybe every quarter, there's a Nigerian project that Binance put their money in. I don't want to mention the project right now, so that some of you will not go and put your money in because I mentioned it. But it's not just about mentioning, okay? It's about you knowing who are the people investing in these assets. Okay, so that means that Binance lab portfolio includes Kava. I want to know, oh, fantastic. So because Binance is a partner or a venture capitalist to Canva, then I think it makes a lot of sense. Yeah, oh, they have some money in Moonbeam. Oh, so this is like a back check. Oh, come on, guys. If you're excited, show some love right now. Show some love, okay? Show some love if you're excited about this revelation. So you don't want to put your money in if the project does not have a reputable partner. So if I have $1,000, I want 70% of my portfolio, okay, to 80% of my portfolio to be in a good partnership project that I know that, okay, these people have done their work, they've done the needful, they've been able to, scale up their system, and they're doing it for themselves, which is why you need to play here also. So another, come on, guys, show some love. Type in I'm learning, guys. Type in I'm learning, I'm learning, I'm learning, I'm learning, I'm learning. Type in I'm learning. Yeah, reputable partners are very, very important, guys. Very, very important. So don't just don't just do anyhow, guys. Don't just do anyhow. Don't just do anyhow. Be very, very sure of what you're doing. So Benjamin said, Cardano a good project. What do you mean? Is Cardano a good project, or you're saying Cardano is a good project? Which of them? Benjamin Wanki, how you doing, brother? Okay. Joshua said, I'm learning. Chinedu Kleso said, I'm learning 100%. Good. So because one of the things that makes us lose money in the cryptocurrency space is because we don't do our findings. And when we don't do our findings, when we don't have our checklist, we put in our money, then we now say that a project rock pull us. Now a project came on and there's no team behind it, and there's no team behind it, there's no VC behind it, there is social media hype around it and all of that, then it means that it's maybe a community driven project like meme coin. A lot of meme coin, like personally I don't have Dogecoin. Okay, why don't I don't have Dogecoin because Dogecoin is a community coin and is a meme coin. So no matter how somebody lost Dogecoin, it doesn't meet my criteria. So you must have your own criteria. Come on, it's your hard-earned money. You worked hard for this. Stop gambling. Everybody type down in the comment box. Type in stop gambling. Stop gambling. Stop trading cryptocurrency. See, a lot of people have lost more money than those who have made more money. A lot of people have lost money than those who made money. Because those who make money have a checklist, guys. They have a checklist. They know something that is not that is not common, and you need to work with what is not common. Okay, understand the cycle. Oh, that the project is good. I've told you for more than 2 years. Somebody asked me that question on a live session about Dogecoin, and I gave you a very low price that if Dogecoin don't come there, I won't put my money. Until date, since that time, Dogecoin has not gotten there. So imagine if I have bought then, I will be negative by now, and I will still be holding Dogecoin for like 2 years. I'll still be holding it. I'll still be holding it. More than 1 year, I'll still be holding it because that's last year. It happened last year. So I want you guys to be very, very intentional. $100, $500, $1,000 is very, very. Don't put money because Mr. Maiwa said I should put money. No, put money because Mr. Maiwa has used a checklist. Number one, he has used his checklist to check. Like I told you guys the other time about about near protocol. I did my check-ins. I checked the team, I checked the people that are investing in near protocol. I checked, and I said, okay, if near protocol can come as low as I can't remember the number right now, that is when I can put my money. Why? Because it has met all the rules, but right now it's yet to meet my location. And location is important. The same way I told you guys in 2019 to buy Bitcoin at 4,000. And in 2020 March, it came to 20,000. It came to 4,000. But we had to wait, guys, because the business is about waiting. The business is not just, see, let me help you. Anything that will give you big money, it requires patience. Write that down. Anything that will give you good money requires patience. So somebody is saying, Benjamin is saying, is Cardano a good project? Yes, Cardano is a good project. Why? They have good VC. They have founders around it, and they have a solution they are trying to solve. So it's a good project. But the question is this the right time to buy? Let's check together. Is this the right time to buy? You must answer that question. So you don't buy it. You don't buy it at the wrong location. Because when you buy it at the wrong location, you're going to hold before you can. Cardano. It's showing me Cardano ecosystem. I want Cardano itself. Well, let's go to the ecosystem. We'll see it inside. Cardano, this is it. So this is Cardano. This is Cardano. This is Cardano. It's a smart contract project. You can stake it. So it's not even showing the people behind it. They are partners. But you can go to their website and check all those ones. But let's check. Is it even in the right location right now? This is Cardano. This is, watch carefully, guys. Look at when Cardano first came. 2017, March. It came out at $26, at 2 cents. Then from 2 cents, it went to $1. And at $1, that is amazing, like amazing. That's like 5x. No, that's like 50x, sorry. That's like 50x. Now look at, from $1, 13 cents, it came back to 4 cents. Can you see the cycle right now? It came back to even 3 cents or 2 cents. Can you see that? At that 2 cents again, that is when it took off to $2. So if, because it's going up, if you buy without understanding the cycle, then you will hold it, then it comes below, and you're going to be holding it for, you would have held it if you bought anything below $1 when it came out, you hold it 2018, you held it 2019, you held it throughout 2020, then by 2020 June, then it started going up back. Can you see how you have to wait? That is where the cycle is, guys. So right now, it got to 2, went as far as where again? Went as far as, 3. Now, at that stage, you now went to buy again. That's the wrong time to buy, because it took off from the last low from 2 cents, it went to $3, and you want it to go to $10. It can't. Cardano need to find his way down to at least 3 below 3 cents, below 30 cents. Let me use charts for it. But if you don't understand the cycle, you would have bought when it's high, then you keep holding. You keep holding it, like holding it. Like you wake up, you are holding your portfolio, you are checking every day. Come on, guys. Don't even check again now, because so until Cardano comes to 10 cents, anything below 18 cents, that is where I'm going to be buying Cardano, because that's the full cycle. The cycle needs to be complete. Anything below that, that's what I'm going to be looking for. I won't buy Cardano now. But if it's a good project, you now buy. No, understand the cycle. The cycle always come low, 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 low. So anything around this place, I will look for Cardano. I look for ways to buy Cardano. Anything below 18 cents. Then I'll buy for it to go to Fib extension. I'll buy Cardano for it to come to $13. So when I buy from 11 cents to $13, that's about 25,000%. That is called crypto investment. That is called crypto investment. Is that clear, Benjamin? So it's a good project, but it's not at the right location. And the right location has a lot to do with me putting my money. Guys, show some love if you are learning right now. Another person is asking an amazing question. Yeah, Benjamin, that is how we rock it in the crypto group. So it has to come below 18 cents, 16 cents, then I can put my money in. Please, sir, what can you say about Luna? Luna is running under social media sentiment. Okay, it doesn't meet my rules of engagement. Some people are putting money, but I didn't recommend it to my audience, to the people in the community. Okay. There are so many other projects that will do more than the new Luna. So why can't I put my money in those projects? Okay. There are so many other projects. In our community currently, we have over 23 cryptocurrency watch lists. And on these 23 cryptocurrency watch lists, none of them, we are not expecting anything less than 10x, 25x, 100x on all of these projects. So the reason I won't put money in Luna, number one, is because it's not driven by use case again. It's driven by speculation right now. And when a project fails, we can call it mistake. But if you have not done a mistake, I can put money with you. But if you have a track record of failing before, I won't put my money in you again. Or maybe I'll put small. That's my view. I'm not the best, so I'm just sharing my view, okay? Do your own research before taking your decision. So that's the reason why I didn't put money in Luna at all, and I don't see myself putting money in it. If I want to put my money in it now, I'll put my money in it because of speculation. There's nothing about it again. Another truth is that the new Luna, which is the Luna 2, has attracted new community. So they still have community stuffs, which is good. But for me, it's not meeting. It's not meeting. It's not meeting. You have failed once. There are so many other projects that, then the the founder is not direct. He's not playing with us. He's not playing. Even before the launch of Luna 2, he's not playing. Even the Binance CEO said a lot about it, that there's no transparency. Okay, we had this money. We tell it that this money should be for UST. And all of a sudden, the Bitcoin was not available again. And you see, it's like, I invested in your company. You told me that you're going to be using the money to trade Forex, and you'll be giving me, in the nearest future, you can give me 10x my money. And I said, no problem. I trust your judgment on that. And I give you 100,000 US dollars. Then, after a while, where you put the money, you remove the money to go and, a lot of people putting money when Luna was launching the UST concept, because we all felt that the UST concept was new to the model and we could use that to leverage, which was good. But for me, when I saw the chart, I saw that Luna has gone extremely high and it needed to crash. I didn't expect where it crashed to, but it had to crash because that height was too much. You see, when market moves, you want to know when the market started moving. So the market started moving from $2, and the market went as far as $10, $20. That means that it has done the work. So what do? You wait for the market, you wait for the market to what? To do some retracement, because some partners will take some money. The team, they can malfunction, they can do rough pull on people, but those are the things that happen. And for me, I sincerely tell you, it's not a go area for me, but I can put my money in based on sentiment, okay, but it's not a good place for me right now. Okay, Below said this is amazing, you're welcome. Okay, Following Adejeji says that, how can I join your community, sir? Okay, just hold on to the end of the program. I'll share with you how you can join our cryptocurrency community. And the benefit of joining, I'll also share with you if you are available for it. I think it's going to be a very good opportunity for you to join. There's a lot of stuff we have in there. Okay. Hey, good evening. I came across this guy, Mr. Maiwo Wolabi, many years ago. Hey, yeah, thank you so much, beloved. Okay, so let me answer Folorenshaw. Folorenshaw, what we have in our community, we have in the Midas Crypto Vault, we have access to Discord community. You have access to cryptocurrency training videos. You have access to cryptocurrency watch list. Okay, our watch list is one of the most amazing portfolio we have. Okay, we have the future trading for you if you want to trade futures trading. Okay, we have futures trading trades that we call in the community. We have the pre-sale watch list. These are projects that we are waiting for it to be launched. Okay, we have the DeFi playbook. DeFi playbook is a staking model that allows you to earn while your project is still holding. So let's say, for example, I buy Ethereum and I'm holding Ethereum for the next 2 years. Why will I put it in my MetaMask or put it in my in my centralized exchange, and it's not doing anything. So I need to move it into systems that can give me um, um, 25% per year per annum, 50% per annum. Some even give as high as 100% per annum. But now you have to be sure of that such project. So we have places where we will tell you to, excuse me, to put the asset that you have bought, which is called DeFi Playbook. Okay. Then we have what is called Tech Royale. Tech Royale is the sweetest of what I love so much. And we have one of them that is really paying amazingly well. So how does our Tech Royale work? Our Tech Royale concept works in such a way that we join VC from the beginning. Okay, you have 500 US dollars. Okay, this VC, they partner with X numbers of projects. So when you buy their token and you hold it and stake it, the project will be earning for you. Okay, when the project is earning for you, the project also will still give you a lot of tokens that are good projects. Okay, so this allows us to be able to earn staking on that project. It also allows us to earn um, new project tokens that have good use cases. Okay, and they give us like as much as 300 token, 1000 token every single, like, in a period of time. So don't let me tell you every single time, but just keep getting fractions every day, every day, every day. They keep sharing and they go ahead again to partner with amazing. So they will do the research, they will do everything. All you need to do is to invest into their own assets, then they'll keep paying you the nature token. Then we also do our monthly review. So these are everything you're going to be having access to. Okay, our package is $1,500 for 1 year, 750 for 6 months. Okay, and you can also get it for $500 or $1,000 at the moment. Okay, yes, because this is going to be two positions. Sorry, two sections in the month of June, or we're already in June. So our technical team will be splitting this to two. So before they split it, you can still come in. We're actually splitting this to two so that we're going to be having cryptocurrency watch list and future trading in the in the normal package. Then if you want access to the pre-sale watch list, the 5 playbook, then you have the main package. Okay, but the main package remains $1,500. Lifetime access is 5,000 US dollars. Okay, so you have access to that. So right now, where other people are complaining the market is down, we leverage more on the Tech Royale. It pays us every single day, gives us return every day. Our default, some of our default playbook gives us 10% every month, 8% every month. Little token, but you might not get it anywhere, and it's been consistent. So that's how we rock and roll it in the Discord, in our community. Okay, hope I've answered your question. So you can come on right now, enjoy the discount, which is $1,000 for 1 year, $500 for 6 months. I will also recommend you pay that tonight or tomorrow, so that when they split it, you will still be on the main package. The main package is 1,005. Hope I've answered your question. Okay, so below said, since ever I came into cryptocurrency, it's been all losses, sir. But seeing your face today online, I just said, let me listen to you, sir. I met you in in Keja. Oh, good to see. Fantastic. So the major reason why people lose in cryptocurrency, these are the major reasons. They buy in at the wrong time. They put in money because of social media influences are talking about it. It doesn't have a use case. It's not solving anything. You want to be able to put your money in that. And one of the things I'll like you to know is called portfolio classification. Everybody type in portfolio classification. This is this should be a paid stuff I'll give you guys for free. Okay, I'll give you guys for free. Type in portfolio classification. This will help you. If you can do this to your portfolio, it will help you. It will help you. I can tell you for free, it will help you. Now, portfolio classification, the concept is that I have $500 as my cryptocurrency portfolio, as a cryptocurrency investment. What should I buy? First two projects you need to buy is the king and the queen of cryptocurrency, Ethereum and Bitcoin. Put your money, put 30 to 40% of your money into it, or keep doing dollar cost average. You can do your dollar cost average on Binance. It's going to be automated for you. The second portfolio classification you want to have are new generation degens projects. Okay, sorry, utility case, which are more of ecosystems. So you want to ask yourself, what are ecosystems? We have about 19 ecosystems. You check out all of them. Which one is good for you? You have Near Protocol, you have Binance ecosystem, Cardano ecosystem, Polkadot ecosystem. A lot of them. Even Ethereum has its own ecosystem. Cosmos ecosystem. All of them have ecosystem. But you can't put your money in all of them. Just pick the best three. Okay, you classify another 30% or 40%, 30% of your portfolio in there. Then the next 30%, you put it in degens projects. In degens projects that are just coming up, pre-sales. That's where you put your money for the 30%. Then the last 10% is meme coin. Meme coin is driven by community. Some will succeed, some will not succeed. But statistics says that every year there's always a meme coin that will give 100x, 1,000x, as the case may be. 2 years ago, it was Dogecoin. Last year, it was Shiba Inu. This year, we are waiting. There are about 8 meme coins that we have in the community that we have recommended. Now, because it is 8, let's say all your 10% of the whole portfolio is $50. It means you can't buy more than 1 or 2. So when you are increasing your portfolio, you are increasing it according to. But some of you have 80% of meme coin and you want to make money. No, now see. Life is structured on that principle. It can't be sudden. I know you have read a lot that people are making money in cryptocurrency, but the lot of people that I have seen that have made good money in cryptocurrency, they don't make money. They didn't make such money from meme coin. They made the money from amazing projects. Imagine you bought Matic when it was below penny, and Matic went far. That's the kind of Polygon went far, which is now Polygon. Went far. That's how you want to make good money. Imagine you bought Bitcoin at 3,800 and it went as far as 60, 64, 69,000. That is money there. Imagine you bought Ethereum at below 100 and it went as far as 3,000, 4,000. That is money there. The people that make money here, they don't make money from meme coin. A lot of meme coin we not even see tomorrow. As well as once the project enter and you put your money and they've met their goal like this, they just rock cool. But can they deliver? Yes. So maybe I'll do a training on how to outsmart meme coin project. Maybe. Okay, Emmanuel. Emmanuel, note that topic for us. Maybe we'll do it in the course of the week. How to identify how to outsmart meme projects. Okay, how to do it. So there are so many things you need to check. Okay, so these are ways to be able to kill the market. And I can tell you for free, you're going to make a lot of money from cryptocurrency, but you have to understand how it works. So great work, sir. Enlightening this generation. Thank you so much, sir. Kindly explain further about Super X you posted link some days ago. I saw the post and registered. It's an exchange. Okay, it's an exchange and they are sharing money. You register, you get ET, and when they become big, okay, when they become big and successful, your money is withdrawable. Is that clear? So it's like Binance. When Binance first came out, Binance came out around 15 cents or less than 20 cents. And as at today, Binance is 297. Nobody knew that Binance was going to be big like this. Okay, so when it comes to cryptocurrency, exchanges has a lot of tendency to deliver. Exchanges, look at Kucoin. Kucoin also came in extremely low, like very, very low. Let's check the rate Kucoin came in on. KNC. Kucoin. Kucoin. So Kucoin today is at $16. You go to all-time high and all-time low. Kucoin started below 48 cents. Okay, let's say below 48 cents. So imagine when they were giving their free stuffs, like people should get it, like people should get it. Yes, so some people will register and they claim 1,000 token, 500 token, 10 token, 20 token. So as it is now, if anything you claim around this rate, then it now becomes, it went as far as 21, $22. Okay, so, and it was launched in 2018, and this is 2022, 4 years after. He has given so many return. So that is how, that's what Super X2 can do. Okay, is that clear, Arego Benjamin? Okay, so that'll be all for today. I'm sure you guys gained some value. Can we do some more 12 minutes? If you have questions, so we can round up. And if you don't have questions, then you want to make sure you understand how this works so that you would not just be putting your money in every project. Make sure you follow what I've just said with you. There are so many ways you should not put your money in cryptocurrency, but these are the major. Always will understand the cycle. If the market has gone up, if the market has gone up, look at when it started, KC, when KuCoin started at less than 50 cents, it went up to 22 cents. A lot of people made money in less than 1 year. Okay. Then from that, it came back as low as what? As low as 69 cents. Then it went back up. So if you now jump in when it's on his way up, no, don't jump in on his way up. Wait for it to come down, then you buy. Then look at 69 cents, it went up to where? To 22. So right now, people are saying it has started going up. But me, I said no. If you have checked my analysis, I strongly feel that uh woo, jeez. Emmanuel, how come we miss this? Woo. I've posted this on my on my trading view for those that follow me on trading view. Woo. Jeez. So the seller started, guys, at that 17 cents. That was the sell. That was the sell. That was the sell. The sell have started. So, wow, the sell have started. Except we do another bounce back here and now go to 22 for. But naturally, the only place I'm going to be buying Kucoin, which is another very good project you should have, is where? Below 7 cents. Did I say 7 cents? Below $7. That's the only place I will buy. Oh, sorry. Sorry. The only place I'll buy is around anything below $9. Okay, anything below nine, anything below $2. Okay, I'll look for buy there. And when I buy this time, don't try me. When I buy this time, it will be on its way to, like, should I tell you where I'm expecting it to get to? Let's use Fib extension for it. I'll come out at 46 and I will hold the rest till $120. It will happen. $120. That's where I will hold it. But right now I can't buy it because of the cycle concept. Okay, it's not even part of our list right now. Until it gets closer, that is when we will add it to our list. Okay, so right now it could take another 2 or 6 months before it gets here, and that's what we're going to buy. So you don't just jump in and say, "Oh, that's what I'm going to do." No, you have to. Okay. Somebody saying, "What's your take on?" Please, sir, after register, how do I get the coin? The coin is in the wallet. Just leave it there. Go to sports. Under sport, you see it, ET. Then core coin. Somebody is saying, what's my take on core coin? Core coin have moved up. We called it in the community and we've taken some profits. Core coin is a meme coin, so it's a meme coin. So people are saying it has a tendency to, it could be the what's it called? You can see it. It could be the Ethereum. Sorry, it could be the Shiba Inu. Okay, it could be the Shiba Inu. It could be the Shiba Inu of. So we got in very low. We got in here or here. So right now, I can't even tell anybody to buy right now because for me, like I said, it's already late. Hmm? But I think it's a meme coin. So if you want to put your money, it has to be 10% of your portfolio. Do you understand now? Meme coin, meme coin, they are very, very risky to put money in. Very, very, very risky to put money in. Meme coin are very, very risky. Okay, I didn't share my screen. Can you imagine? So we went in around here. That's about 3 days ago. This is where we went in. And if you come to all, you see that that is the retracement zone. Okay. So we've done over 80% or 100%. As a matter of fact, one of our team was sharing with me that he has taken he has taken profits from it. So if you buy right now, it's wrong. So what do? You wait. You wait for it to retrace. As I'm seeing, I want to see if I can bring up the chart. Okay, so that's Kucoin. It's gone up. It's gone up. Okay, so you can't put money in again. It's gone up. Okay, that'll be off. Felix Chijioke Joseph, why are you angry? So much. I'm sure you guys have gained some value today. Okay, so always follow this checklist. And if you're interested in joining our cryptocurrency group, you have it for 1,000 US dollars. Cryptocurrency page, which is like $100, less $100 monthly. Start up with the support team. Will definitely should be available to help you out. Okay, so you can enjoy 30% discount, which is very good. Instead of paying 1,005, you pay $1,000. Very, very good for you. And what will you get again? You're having access to our Discord group. You're having access to our cryptocurrency training videos. You're having access to our cryptocurrency watch list. We have about 23 assets that we have on the watch list. You're going to be giving futures trading for those that are interested in futures trading. You're going to be having access to pre-sale, the watch list we are putting money in. You're going to be having access to the DeFi playbook where we put our money and our money work for us. We have Tech Royale where we put in our money and they give us staking and new projects as for free. Very sweet part of the company. Then we have our monthly portfolio review. Okay, so this is very very good. So 750, you have an offer for $500, 30% discount. $1,500 for 1 year. You have an offer for $1,000. Mr. Mayo, I don't want to be paying again. Let me pay once. You have 5,000 US dollars. You can pay 30% of it. You have access to it for life. So when there are several people here, last year this guy did 400% on AXT. This lady grew her account um, from less than 7,000 to about 62,000. Okay, this lady, this man too did amazing return on investment for his money. So there are crazy testimonials that we have here. Cryptocurrency is sweet. It's just that you have to be smart. You need to know where you are going out. You need to know where you are coming in. If you go in and you don't know where you are coming out, it's risky. Okay, so that it won't just rock on you. Okay, that'll be all for today. I'm really excited. Do have a pleasant evening. Make sure you plan your portfolio. Like I said, don't buy because everybody is buying. Check, do your own checklist. Make sure the team has the founders, the people that are putting their face to it. Leverage on VC, which are uh, venture capitalists, so that you can have an amazing investment experience. Okay, that'll be my time today. Talk to you guys soon. Have a pleasant evening. Don't forget, if this is your first time, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video so that I can help the rating so that others can see it. Good night, guys, and God bless you.